Welcome, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. I am Zondadare. I'm doing this kind of a quick, I just want to highlight the excitement of this. I just worked on this cover. The game is up on itch right now. You can see the game page. Already typed it all up, saved it. We're just waiting right now to put this game on Ludamdare, which we've got about 2 hours and 38 minutes, so there's plenty of time. It is 4:21 a.m. Luckily, when my regular job starts, I should be able to do this. And again, I'll be teaching online, so just a couple hours there, and I'll be back right into these Ludum dares. Now, the thing is that I am going to miss the Global Game Jam. I'm going to miss going to Seoul every year like I used to. And I've made some really good friends with people at an actual game studio called 5 Mini Labs, and they've got great stuff. But to be honest, like this is gonna be me. Instead of every year, this is 4 times a year, and the skills I've learned, I went back into doing some coding. And the stuff I did with Blender was really cool. So what I'm gonna do, this is the last video. I did a couple other videos. I don't think any of the videos are really that good, to be honest, so I'm going to put it on a playlist, and I'm going to just put that out there. So if you like the other videos and came to the end of this, I'll just put backlinks to the videos. You can check them out. But yeah, man, this has been just amazing. Right now we're just doing some stuff with debugging the game, so we'll see what happens. All right, insert catchy phrase here. Just so happy. I mean, I think the game's fun. We didn't get to do everything we wanted to do. Like, we wanted to get other games in there, like references. And I don't know if this is me gonna quit my day job to develop this game. Probably not. But again, I just want to capture the excitement. All right. See you on the other side. Sorry, catchphrase here.